Hey everyone, this is Akhil from Install or Not, and today we have a very special smartphone with us. It's the iQOO 3, which is one of the first smartphones to feature Snapdragon 865 in India. So in this video, we're going to test out the performance of this device and also test out the gaming performance of this device by playing on highest possible settings and see how well does it perform and is it surely up to the hype that's going in the market. So let's check it out. So the Vivo iQOO 3 is a flagship grade smartphone with top of the line specifications and a great premium build quality. So let's discuss the specifications of the device first. The device features a 6.44-inch Full HD display. It's a Super AMOLED display and has a small screen cutout at the top right for the front camera. The screen is a 60Hz refresh rate display but has a 180Hz touch sensing capacity. In terms of chipset, we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset that's 7nm build processor, and it's the latest chipset from Qualcomm. It's an octa-core chipset and has an Adreno 650 GPU as well. In terms of storage, we have a 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage in this variant, but there might be another variant that's available at launch. And talking about the software, it's running on iQOO UI. That's very similar to FunTouch from Vivo, and it's running on Android 10.0. Also, there's an in-screen fingerprint sensor and face unlock as well. For the battery, we have a 4400 milliampere battery, and for charging, we have a very fast charger. It's a 55-watt adapter, and that's also included inside the box. And it's expected the device can charge about 50% in about 15 minutes. So that's all it, and device will come in three color variants, that's Volcano Orange, Tornado Black and Quantum Silver. So this variant that we have with us is a Tornado Black variant, but the Volcano Orange color variant is also very cool. So now let's run some benchmarks on this device and see how well does it perform with ANTU and Geekbench benchmarks. For ANTU, it's the highest possible ANTU score that we have seen, and that's all because of Snapdragon 865 and a UFS 3.1 storage that we have on this device. For Geekbench, here are the scores on the screen, and these are also top of the line and would surely reflect in a gaming review that's coming next. So now let's test out the gaming performance of this device by running PUBG Mobile. That's all we play all day. So let's test out and play it in the highest possible ultra settings and all other smooth and extreme settings and see how well does it perform and does it lag, does it heat. So let's check everything and let's come to it.
Victory! Reloading! Cover me! No mercy!
Killing spree for the red team!
Fire! Enemy down! Reloading! Clear! Cover me! Dead! Be careful! You're losing. Team match. Let's go.
First point for the red team! The red team is in the lead.